I'm going to be cooking concrete with the Phoenix, one of my latest inventions, at the World of Concrete. Yeah, baby. And we're going to have a Concrete Freaks booth. Yeah, freaks. We're going to have a booth, baby. So come on, hang out. Come see our latest technology, the latest cool things we're working on and every neat stuff that it can do. Come see how we're labeling concrete, the new research we're doing. Just come hang out and talk about concrete. We're going to have a meetup, and the word is that a national news organization is going to be there with their cameras, so you want to be there too. We're going to be playing games. There'll be merchandise. There'll be prizes. Come also see me teach, take some of my concrete classes. All of this is happening at the fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada, at the World of Concrete, baby. From January 22nd to January 25th, there is going to be equipment. There is going to be the latest tools. There will be people making concrete, teaching others all their tips and tricks on how to make the best concrete. And there'll be people, about 50,000 concrete freaky people, right? And I'm going to be one of them. My name's Tyler Layton. If you don't know me, I live, breathe, sleep, dream concrete. I'm all about concrete. I really love it. And so please like, subscribe, and maybe leave me a comment. But you know, there's more. This World of Concrete, amazing, awesome place. So much fun. And I'm going to have a booth there at 30612 in the Silver Lot. If you don't know where that is, it's here. See, this is the outlay of the World of Concrete. Silver Lot is there, right by the buses, right by where the cabs drop off at the North Hall. This is what the overview looks like in that little red spot. Yeah, that's our booth. Okay, yeah, there we are zoomed in right next to our friends. Oh, there's the booth right next to our friends at Cementech. Yeah, Cementech, they're from Iowa. They make volumetric mixers. We're great friends of theirs. We're getting to hang out with them. They're going to be working with us as well. So this is going to be amazing. I'm going to be in the booth. And if for some reason I have to be somewhere else, my partner Jake is going to be there, and Jake is going to have games you can play with him. So go hang out with Jake and play some games. And we're going to be cooking concrete. You're like, what? Cooking concrete? Yeah, well, that's where we use the Phoenix, okay? And that's at 11, 1, and 3 on Tuesday and Wednesday, and 11 and 1 on Thursday. We'll be cooking concrete, showing off the Phoenix. If you don't know what that is, well, it's at booth 30612 Silver Lot, same place I told you about before. And our Cementech friends are going to be making concrete, showing us how their mixer works. They're going to be giving us some of that concrete, and then we're going to make samples of it. We're going to put it inside the Phoenix. And that Phoenix is hot, man. It's going to cook out all the water. It's at 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's going to flame broil the concrete. And why do we cook the concrete again? Well, because we want to know the water. And there's really no way out there right now to measure how much water's in concrete, because water's really important for the water to cement ratio. You're like, what? What's that for? Well, that happens to be the most important indicator of the strength, the quality, and the consistency of our concrete. It's a big deal, and now we're able to measure it with the Phoenix. And I have got videos at the end of this that are going to tell you more about it. So the Phoenix is sweet. Make sure you come by and see it in action. But meet me. Come to our meetup. It's at 3 p.m. on Tuesday, January 23rd, and there's might be TV cameras there, might not. So please, come on, hang out, bring your friends, bring them all. Let's be freaks together and meet me, and let's talk concrete. I'd love to meet you. And also, that's that same booth, 30612 in the Silver Lot, same one I've showed you before. I'll be teaching classes. Those are not in the booth, okay? Those are at other locations. The first one's going to be fiber reinforced concrete with my great friend and the legend, Jerry Holland. I'm all about fiber reinforced concrete, what it can do and what it can't do. And then on Monday at 10:30, I'll be teaching a class on troubleshooting. I love this class, have so much fun teaching it. So please come take that class if you want. And also on Tuesday at 11:30, I'll be teaching all about water, what it's good for, what it's not good for, about quality and durability of our concrete. So also, I've got friends there at World of Concrete. You need to stop by and see some of them. One group of friends is the FHWA at the Mobile Concrete Technology Center. They have this amazing 18-wheeler filled with the greatest concrete tools, and make sure you go by and say, hey, show me some of the technology that Tyler develops. Some of my stuff is actually there. You should go ask them about me, see what they say. Hopefully it's good, right? But they're in booth 029960 in the silver lot, not very far from my booth, all right? And then there's VariCap, this really cool product by a friend of mine, and this product is a rebar cap that sits on top that you can't knock off. I mean, well, maybe if you try really, really hard you can, but it doesn't just fall off like most rebar caps. We're like picking them up all the time. Not this stuff. I've tested it. It's really, really cool. And it's in the Central Hall at booth C7530, so make sure you go check them out as well. So in summary of everything I just told you, that booth, my booth, 030612 in the silver lot, same place I showed you before. We're cooking concrete at 11, 1, and 3 on Tuesday and Wednesday, and 11 and 1 on Thursday. There's going to be a meetup at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Bring your friends. Bring the house, baby. We need all the freaks. We need you to come out and be part of this. Then I got seminars at 8, 10:30, and 11:30. And so make sure you pick out which one fits into your schedule and which one you love. There'll be games in my booth, the latest technology, the latest research. We'll have merchandise. It's going to be a blast. So go see my friends as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. But these videos I'm showing on the side right now, I need you to watch them. Okay, that's how you can help my channel the most and learn about the Phoenix. See you at the World of Concrete. Take care. Bye.